Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a craft haul video. So it's been a while since I've made a haul video. A while back I had decided that I didn't want to make haul videos unless I produced items from, designs from those items I purchased. Well, I thought I'd make this haul video. Maybe it will catapult me into using what I'm sharing with you guys. I've kind of gotten a little stuck in creating, just barely, creating something, sometimes not even once a week. So maybe this will make me feel like, okay, now I have to do some stuff because I've shown everything to everyone what I bought. So let's get started. So from scrapbook.com, I had an order, and scrapbook.com usually has something free. So this time around they had 3 things that you could pick up for free. I usually don't get the items because they're really not things that I want, or they make the shipping price go up. So, but this time around I got all 3. So first up was this Easy Grip ergonomic 6.5-inch scissors, and they're cute. They have this little protective, what they really need because it's pretty sharp, and then they're the spring type scissors that I've always used, so I can't wait to put those to use. And then they gave you from Pink Fresh Studio one of these cute little blending brushes, and as you can see, I've already used it, and it comes in this cute little pouch, which is adorable. And then from Simon Hurley and Spellbinders, this cutting die set, Reindeer Roundup, 15 cutting dies, and it doesn't look too bad, and I think I'll try that. And then from Prima, Frank Garcia's Cherry Sweet design. I know a lot of people have picked this up here. I've seen videos, and so I thought I'd check it out, and I purchased just the ephemera and the paper pad. The ephemera has 104 pieces. That's a lot of butterflies and bows. And then this is what you get. And can't wait to use that. And then I got the 8x8 paper pad, as I said, and it has 8 double-sided designs, 4 sheets each. So let's just do it. I know you've probably seen this. Let's just do a quick flip through. These are really sweet designs, as the name, Sweet Cherry. But they are just really adorable, and I figured I could use some of them on my cards, or who knows what else. So my favorite page definitely is this one here with all the cherries. And I'm not even a cherry lover, but this is just gorgeous. I have cut into the pad already, and I'll be sharing a video with that design soon. So that's Frank Garcia's Prima Cherry Sweet. Then I picked up this Paper Rose Studio Strawberry and Friends 6x6 paper collections. It's 18 double-sided patterns, 3 of each design, 3 of 12 designs rather. And it, it has the little critters like that. And, I don't really like mice, so I don't know if I'll be using the mice part, but I'll be definitely using these really adorable, look at that, that's so pretty, designs. I think I'm already repeating. Oh, and I don't know if I showed that one, but this is super cute. Paper Rose Studio has some really pretty paper. I could buy a ton of it. And then from Waffle Flower, I picked up a new sentiment set. I'm always looking for a new sentiment set. So I picked this one up. This one is called Sweet Birthday Sentiments. And this is the first one from Waffle Flower that I've picked up that has the dies and the stamps numbered. So it's easier to find the die that you're looking for the sentiment that you've stamped. So for this one, I pulled out one of the dies so you can see. And I was looking for the number, and I was like, oh, there it is. I don't know if you can see that. It's pretty tiny, number 11. So you look on your stamps, and then that's number 11 right there. And it says, wishing you all the happiness your heart can hold. Isn't that sweet? I like this stamp set. One of the things that I've noticed in some of the stamp set sentiments that they use lowercase letters, which I just don't like that when it's the first word. So like Waffle Flower, they don't do that. It's like capital B, birthday wishes, which I really appreciate. And I also picked up from Christina Warner's Christina's Finishing Touches stamps with Concord and Knife. That's who she's with. And I really wanted this when I initially saw it, and it was on sold out. And then it finally came back and I picked it up. But I can't wait to use this. I'm very excited about this one. I was watching, I think it's Strawberry 39. I'm not sure. It's Jen, and she showed this cute little die set, and I immediately went and put it in my cart at Scrapbook.com. It is adorable, and I'll be having a design with that pretty soon. Sharing it with you pretty soon. So that's Scrapbook.com. And next up, just one little item from Michaels. It was this cute embossing folder, and you actually get two, and I just love the, wow, I tore that right off. I just love the geometric design that the folders have. So one looks like that, which kind of reminds me of stained glass. It's really pretty. And then this one, kind of Art Deco-y, if that's a word. So I'll be using those soon. And from Blossom, Jaded Blossom, I picked up this Gnome Friends dog dies. So it is just adorable. I'm not really into gnomes, but I like their dogs apparently. And you had also the faces for the dog, and I can't wait to put this together. There's a lot of little pieces in there, but once again I'll be having a card share with these cute little dogs. They're adorable. Check out Jaded Blossom's website if you're interested in just seeing what they look like, because I don't have a finished product, which I wish I did, but I don't. From Sweet Miss Daisy's Designs, I picked up this chicken wire. I thought this was really cute. It's 6x6 paper pad, and her paper pads are loose, which I like too. And it's just all of these really distressed looking pages with chicken wire. And then the back side is like the darker version. So this is super cute. And this is by Sweet Miss Daisy Designs. And check out, she has some really pretty stamp sets too. Let's see, from Altenew, I was watching Jennifer McGuire, and you know, she just kind of makes you almost want to buy everything she uses. And so this is this chestnut tree layering die set. It was on sale. It was a really good price. And this is something, you know, that I haven't really tried a lot of layering dies like this. And so I'm excited. They give you the instructions on, you know, which one is first. And so I'm excited to try this. It looks like it's a gorgeous little tree. So can't wait to use this. And this is Altenew's Chestnut Tree Layering Die Set. From Spellbinders, I got all the big names, right? I got this Pooh Classic. It's from the Pooh Classic set, and it's just the memory frames. I just thought these were super cute. And then I picked up, these are Supercell, and there's a Build-A-Reef. This is Suzanne Hughes set, and it's just easily to create a wreath, and plus that it is an awesome bow. And then I picked up this push pin notes. So this just makes like a post-it note, or you know, that you have your little pen. I just thought that was so unique, and so can't wait to try that. And then I picked up these tunnel clouds. I had been looking at these every time I look at their site, and this one was on sale, so I thought, why not? So that's the Spellbinders haul. And then last but not least, I was watching one of the YouTubers' channel, and she was sharing an order that she picked up from Rosie's Studio, and I just could not resist. Now, this is not for the faint of heart because the shipping is really high. So you just kind of, either you don't get it or you get it and just grin and bear it. So I got this cute little clear stamp set. It's called Hello Honey. But I thought it would be so cute with bee stuff because it says, "You are so beautiful." And then it says, buzzing about your birthday. Life is sweeter because you're in it. I just think this is so happy. And it says, be happy. That's why I said happy, because I was reading that. Be happy. This is so cute. And then this cute little one that says, lucky me. And this says, perfect. It's so cute. The little kitten that should be probably stamped on gold paper, because they're usually gold. And the little fortune cookie. I just thought this was adorable. And then I picked up this paper pad. It's called Peppermint Twist. Now the paper pad, I thought that Rosie Studios paper was thin. And it is a little thinner than a lot of paper that I've used. But it's not as thin as I thought it was going to be. And this has like some little bit of sheen to it, if you can tell. And it's just really, really calm and just really simple designs. Look at those flowers. They're so pretty. And those trees, they have a little shimmer on them. And this one says fa la la. So this is Christmas paper. Look at that. Isn't that sweet? Love this page. Just beautiful. And then you have some greenery. And of course, this is just gorgeous. And wood grain, peppermint sticks, candy canes, I mean. And then this looks kind of like candy cane-ish. Just really pretty paper pad. I'm so glad I got this. And then I picked up some ephemera, and I don't know why I keep buying ephemera. I just don't use it very well, but maybe I'll challenge myself. I just have a difficult time with ephemera. And then here's the designs on the back here. And then here are these candy embellishment. These are super cute with the little candy look to them. I should have got 2 of these. I don't know why I didn't. These are so cute. And then another stamp set, and this one is called All Wrapped Up. So you can kind of make a bow, like a package bow with this one. Has the ribbon and then the bow. And it says this beautiful Merry Christmas. I really like that. And the season's greeting, peace, joy, love, happy holidays, and Christmas wishes. It has sub-sentiments. May your days be merry and bright. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Wishing you love, light, and laughter these holidays. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And then I got the chipboards for Peppermint Twist. And some of them already have like holes where they can be like a hanging tag or kind of dangle from your project. Look at these little gingerbreads down there in the red ribbon. Oh, cardinal. And then on the back, love the colors. This is so adorable. Should have got 2 of these too. I was being stingy. Look at the houses. Super cute. Alrighty, I think that's it. So thanks for watching my craft haul video. I probably won't have another one of these for a long while. But if you're new to my channel, welcome. And my current subscribers, thank you for watching. And I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.